Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Alright everyone, let's talk about elevating your kitchen game. Today we're diving deep into a set that promises professional results with everyday ease, the GreenPan X Bobby Flay 13-piece non-stick cookware set in a rather chic cream finish. If you're a fan of Bobby Flay's culinary prowess or you're simply in the market for a reliable, toxin-free cookware set, stick around because this one has a lot to unpack. First off, the collaboration itself is noteworthy. Bobby Flay, a name synonymous with bold flavors and professional cooking, has partnered with GreenPan, a brand already known for its healthy ceramic non-stick technology. The idea here is to bring that chef-level performance and insight directly into your home kitchen, and that's a pretty compelling proposition from the get-go. Now, what exactly are you getting in this 13-piece ensemble? It's a well-rounded collection designed to tackle a variety of cooking tasks. You get 2 saucepans, a 1.68 quart and a 2.54 quart, both with lids, which are essential for simmering sauces, boiling pasta, or gently cooking grains. There's also a 5-quart stock pot, perfect for soups, stews, or making larger batches of stock. For your searing and sautéing needs, you'll find an 8-inch and a 10-inch frying pan. And rounding out the cookware pieces is a 4.52-quart sauté pan, which, conveniently, comes with a helper handle for those times when it's full and a bit heavy. Beyond the pots and pans, the set generously includes 3 essential kitchen tools, a solid turner, a slotted spoon, and a large spatula. Having these matching utensils is a nice touch, adding to the cohesive feel of the set. The star of the show, undoubtedly, is GreenPan's signature diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating. They tout this as incredibly durable and offering excellent food release. The reinforcement with diamonds is intended to enhance both the longevity and the performance of the non-stick surface. This is a crucial feature, as many non-stick pans can degrade over time. The idea is that this diamond infusion makes it more resilient to scratches and general wear and tear, which is exactly what we want in a daily-use cookware set. Crucially for many of us, this cookware is toxin-free. GreenPan emphasizes that their ceramic non-stick is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a major selling point for anyone concerned about the potential health implications of traditional non-stick coatings. Knowing you're cooking with a surface that's designed to be healthy and safe adds a significant layer of peace of mind to your cooking experience. Let's talk about ergonomics and user experience. The Stay Cool Chef handles are a standout feature. Inspired by professional kitchens, these handles are designed to remain cool on the stovetop, allowing you to maintain a firm and comfortable grip without the need for oven mitts for most stovetop cooking. This is incredibly practical and makes maneuvering the pans much easier and safer. The long shape is also typical of professional cookware, offering good leverage. The quick heating bodies are another functional aspect. Made from aluminum, these pans are designed to heat up rapidly and evenly. This means you can get cooking faster, and more importantly, you have better control over your cooking temperatures. Being able to precisely dial in the heat is fundamental to achieving good results, whether you're searing a steak or delicately sautéing vegetables. A thoughtful detail that often gets overlooked is the rims of the pans. These feature what GreenPan calls chip-free rims. This design aims to add extra strength and prevent chipping at the edges, which can sometimes happen with regular use and contribute to the degradation of the non-stick coating. It's these small design choices that can make a big difference in the long-term durability of the set. Versatility is key in any modern kitchen, and this set delivers. It's suitable for all stovetops, including gas, electric, and importantly, induction. This means no matter what kind of cooktop you can utilize this cookware. Furthermore, the pans are oven-safe up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven for finishing dishes, baking, or keeping food warm. The Cook and Look glass lids are made of tempered glass, allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, which helps retain heat and moisture. The wide handles on the lids are also designed for ease of use and safe removal. And for those busy weeknights, the cleanup is made simple. The set is dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience. While hand washing is often recommended for extending the life of non-stick cookware, the fact that it dishwasher safe offers flexibility. So, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. The collaboration with Bobby Flay brings a professional chef's touch to the design and functionality. The diamond-infused ceramic non-stick promises superior durability and release. The toxin-free coating is a significant health benefit. Stay cool handles offer comfort and safety. Quick heating bodies provide excellent temperature control. Chip-free rims enhance durability. The set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and is oven-safe. Matching utensils are included, adding value. Dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleanup. Cons. The oven-safe temperature of 392 degrees Fahrenheit, while adequate for many tasks, might be a limitation for some high-heat baking or roasting recipes. While the non-stick is touted as durable, the longevity of any non-stick coating can still depend heavily on user care and cooking habits, even with enhancements like diamond infusion. The cream color, while attractive, might show stains more readily over time compared to darker colors, though this is subjective and depends on usage. In conclusion, the GreenPan X Bobby Flay 13-piece non-stick cookware set is a robust offering that combines healthy cooking technology with professional design. It addresses key concerns like non-stick durability, toxin-free materials, and user comfort. The inclusion of useful tools and its versatility across different cooktops makes it a compelling option for home cooks looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this set aims to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and successful. Link in the description.